Hey there, thanks for tuning into DuckBricks. I'm Chris, and today we have a very exciting announcement. I'll be officially launching the DuckBricks Warehouse BRICKLINK store. So over the years, as you can see, I've managed to collect a lot of very rare and exclusive LEGO items. From all sorts of LEGO minifigures to Bionicle Kanohi masks and everything in between, I've managed to get a lot of extra stuff, such as duplicate sets, minifigs, and promotional gifts that I simply have no use for. And that's why I'm launching the DuckBricks store right now. So on BRICKLINK, in case you don't know, BRICKLINK is actually the used LEGO marketplace where you can purchase pretty much any LEGO item. If at any point over LEGO's massive 90-year history, a certain item was sold, you can probably find it on BRICKLINK. And now for my store, I am really digging deep into my archives and trying to figure out what are all the things that I do not need in my LEGO collection to sell for all of you to enjoy some parts of my LEGO collection. And also because every time you make a purchase on the BRICKLINK store, it actually goes in support of this channel and helps me make more videos for all of you. So if you want a way to support the channel and want to get something in return, please do check it out. I would really appreciate it. So over here we have quite a lot of different minifigures that I've managed to collect duplicates of over my many years of LEGO collecting. Now, as you can see, it's a bit of a work in progress in terms of sorting these. These are all different loose figures that will eventually go up on my store, but as you can see, I do have some bins here that are already sorted, such as a bin dedicated to licensed minifigures, such as different Harry Potter figures, or you've got Marvel superheroes right here. You've also got a lot of DC superheroes, and pretty much anything licensed is going to find its way into this bin, even from Toy Story and whatnot. So having these being put up on my store very shortly. We also have a bit of a section dedicated to just standard city figures and kind of miscellaneous stuff, so city and space. This entire bin is all figures. And of course, there is a dedicated Ninjago section, including all of the Golden Ninja from this year's Legacy Wave. I managed to get quite a few copies of these from the different LEGO sets, so if you do want to get any particular one of the Golden Ninja, you can find that available on my store, plus even like the Klaus figure, which is a little bit of an older one and stuff like that. So all sorts of different LEGO minifigures, and that even does continue into here where there's even more Ninjago figures for sale. So there's all sorts of stuff readily available. But even beyond that, there are even more exciting things, because if we go over here, I actually have a full drawer full of different minifig parts that I currently am indexing to make sure I have complete minifigures to be brought to all of you. This bin here is full of different collectible minifigures from over the years. We also have a bin dedicated to specific accessories. So if you want to buy some Doctor Strange capes from the newer Spider-Man No Way Home sets, you can actually get a ton of those on my store right now, so you can check that out. And of course, there's a whole bin dedicated to LEGO Star Wars figures and different Star Wars bits and pieces, plus a lot of just different loose pieces, which I'll be adding to my store as the time goes on to kind of add on the most interesting stuff, like, say, the hood and hairpiece pieces. You've got a lot of legs here, a lot of torsos, and of course, a ton of heads. Look at all those golden woo heads there. So all sorts of very odd and strange LEGO stuff that I will be adding to my store as time goes on to find all sorts of different bizarre LEGO items. But there's even more beyond that, because as we move into here, I want to give a bit of a sneak peek into some of the stuff that I'm working on that will be added to my store very shortly. Going into here, you've got all sorts of different bins of LEGO sets that I am slowly piecing together, because these are all duplicate LEGO sets that I already have displayed in my collection, but I'm getting ready to be sold to all of you, such as the Ultimate Collector Series Red 5 X-Wing Starfighter from 2013, complete with the original stickers, which are still on the sticker sheet itself, which is very, very rare to find in such good condition. You've got all sorts of different sets here. I've tried to kind of piece them together, even a Bill and Airport if you want to get this exclusive set that is available. But even this bin down here, all of it is just chock full of different LEGO sets that I will be adding to my store on a regular basis. So if you check out the storefront now and there's not too much stuff that you're interested in, please do check it out in the future, because I will be continuously updating it with more and more LEGO sets, rare LEGO items, minifigures, and of course Bionicle masks as well. Speaking of Bionicle masks, let's take a look at some of the ones that I will be adding to the store very shortly. Let's kind of go over here and take a look right now. I actually have quite the stash of different Bionicle masks, where over the years I've managed to collect at least 2 of every single mask, but in many cases I've collected far more than just 2. So going into this kind of storage area here where I keep a lot of the sets that I have for sale, I want to showcase a specific container of Bionicle masks. So as I said, on my quest to collect all of the rarest Bionicle masks, which you can see here, a copy of every single one, continuing up here as well as down here as well, I've managed to collect a lot of actual duplicates of stuff that I really no longer need for builds, but I want to be able to share with all of you, which is why I'm actually going to be systematically adding more and more masks to my store pretty much on a daily basis. So here we've got 3 different bins of different Bionicle and Hero Factory construction heads. So first off, I've got kind of the 2001 to 2003 masks here. If you want to take a look here, there are some really rare ones, such as this actual European misprint of the white Matatu here. This actually never came in a set in white, but I do have an extra misprinted one that I managed to acquire, as well as one of like the white Kakamas here. Let's see what else we have. One of the copper masks of Victory, and lots of other different rarer colors of masks, like a transparent green Cow here, as well as one of the blue Kanohi Bakaris, in case you need to use that for building your own special custom Toa Helrixes. Now, of course, there are more and more masks being added on a daily basis, and you can literally just see the variety in different types and shapes and colors of masks here, especially these special ones from the European mask packs. I've got quite a lot of different colors and shapes and sizes, just so you'll be able to check those out for yourself. Now this bin is kind of the other ones that I have, which are from the more modern years of Bionicle. So a couple Paraka spines, and these ones are maybe a little bit less rare than some of these, but still a lot of interesting stuff. We have a lot of the Hordika masks and some of the headpieces for the Baraki. So if you have been really wanting to complete a particular Bionicle model but just need the masks, do check out the store, because I likely will have them on sale at the BRICKLINK store. So from pretty much all eras of Bionicle. And last but not least, we have some of these special construction heads from Hero Factory and Shima and whatnot. So if you're looking for more construction stuff, we have a lot of different head pieces here, which I will be adding on for sale very soon. So do keep an eye out for those, because we have so much more to add to the storefront. But it's not just different pieces, because I actually do have quite a few rare Lego sets and different Lego items that are readily available for sale. If you come with me in here, we can take a look at some of the different Lego free gift with purchases they've released over the years. Now, many of these GWP sets are some of the rarest and most sought after sets, but because of the amount of Lego that I purchase, I actually end up with quite a few duplicates. Stuff like, say, for example, the special treehouse right here, which was the August 2022 promo. It was a Lego 90-year celebration for the Forest Men's Hideout. I've actually got quite a few of those up on my BRICKLINK store, and what's best is that I actually am trying to be the cheapest price store in the US. So if you go on all of the US listings, my store will be the cheapest one, so it's extra incentive for you to check out the store itself. But that's not all, because aside from just that one promo, we've got a lot of really special stuff, like Lego House exclusives. For example, I just came back from a trip to the Lego House in Billund, Denmark, and actually have quite a few different exclusives, like the wooden duck, available for sale, fully sealed, if you want to actually have the chance to build that yourself. But that's still not all. And actually, let's now take a look at the warehouse here, where I'll be able to show you a little bit of the different types of box sets that I have readily available for sale. If we come on over here, you can kind of make our way through the rest of this collection here. And I'll give you a sneak peek behind the hood right in here. Now, if we just focus in on this part here, you can see just the sheer amount of different Lego Castle Forest hideouts here. This is just from purchasing things on August 1st. And I figured, why just keep them all to myself? Because I really don't have any use for so many sets. Why not just sell them on BRICKLINK? So that's what I was talking about there, but if we come in here, you can actually see this entire wall here is dedicated to just things for sale. So all these different poly bags, and you've got all sorts of different free gifts. And got another forest hideout there. All sorts of different sets from different eras of Lego are actually fully for sale here. And there are a lot of really rare stuff as well, such as a very limited exclusive FC Barcelona free gift that you only really can get by purchasing one of the stadium sets, to all sorts of different older Lego vintage stuff, like there's the Adventurers thing right there, and even the BRICKLINK A-Full Designer Program sets, like the Castle in the Forest, which you can see right there. I've got a couple of those for sale as well. And that's not all, because if you're looking for a physical Lego Lego instruction manual? Well, as you can see here, all of these filing cabinets are chock full of pretty much every single instruction manual for almost all the different Lego sets out there. Whether you're looking for, say, the manuals to complete your modular building collection, like the special cafe corner manuals here, everything has been sorted fully together to make sure that if you're looking to complete a set with a physical instruction manual, you can go ahead and get it here. Now, obviously, as you know, most Lego manuals are actually available online, so you might be wondering, why would you actually want to buy specific manuals? Well, the thing is, for certain sets, not everything is online. Take, for example, the A-Full Designer program for BRICKLINK. That was a very limited run of sets that only had a few copies sold, and you can't actually get the manuals available online. So what I've done is I bought the sets myself, built them, and now I don't really need the manuals, so I'm going ahead and selling the manuals for all of those. And the same goes for stuff like, let's say, for example, you want to complete your Ultimate Collector Series sets from Lego Star Wars. You can actually have all of the manuals here if you really want the set to be fully complete. But that's not all, because there's actually been a very exciting thing that I actually have yet to add to my storefront, but I want to show you over here. If we come on over here, I actually was very recently able to pick up a lot of extra Lego animals and rare figures and sets that I'm currently piecing together, but you can get a sneak peek in this bin of just what's to come for my store. Now you can see here, these are all duplicates. I already have them on display in my own collection, so it's all for sale or going to be for sale. We've got a lot of really rare stuff here, like the Ranker from Lego Star Wars in fantastic condition. You see he has the claws and everything. Of course, the Dragon Smaug right here. This is one of the most sought after Lego dragons. Again, also in quite good condition here. You can see the wings do actually fold in and out, so this is another one that I have put for sale, or actually will be for sale very soon. The Cave Troll from Lord of the Rings. We've got a Jabba here, even the larger buildable Groot here. Just got to find the rest of the fingers and this will go up for sale. And all in all, there's just a lot of different animals here that I'm incredibly excited to be able to add to the store. Beyond that, there's quite a lot of minifigures as well. I'm still piecing my way through these and trying to make sure they're fully complete. We've got like a Deadpool, Wolverine, Lord Business from the Lego movie, all sorts of rare figures that I've come across on my different Lego collecting journeys that I really don't have a need for getting multiples of. So you can see some of the Star Wars stuff here, including some of the rarest Star Wars figures like the Stasa Lee Jedi figure here. We've got a lot of different things that will be coming live on the store very soon. So do stay tuned for that, and all of these are, of course, in very good condition because many of them are just from my own collection, and I do really try to keep my collection in fantastic detail. So there you have some right there. And let me show you just another sneak preview of yet more things that are going to be added to the store very soon. You can actually see I've got a little bit of an extra hideaway place here for all sorts of different Lego sets. We've got a fully complete UCS Red 5 Starfighter, complete with these stickers, which are still on the original sticker sheet, so I just need to double check all the parts are there, then that will be going live on my store. But all these bins of Lego are pretty much consisting, and some more in here, of sets that I already own or already on display, but have either been given to me or I've gotten in bulk hauls and whatnot. So after I manage to sort through all of these different sets, do expect brand new sets to be added to my BRICKLINK store on a regular basis. But you're probably wondering what the actual storefront looks like. If you navigate to store.bricklink.com/DuckBricks, don't worry, the link is in the description below, you can actually find a link to my current storefront, which has over 152 items currently and counting. So the way BRICKLINK works is that things are broken up by sets, which you can see here, sets by theme, parts, minifigures, and so on, and some instruction books and gear and whatnot like that. So starting off with these sets, which are probably going to be the most interesting to folks, I've only got one Bionicle set up there right now, but I will be adding a lot more. It's Akimu the Mask Maker. I believe I actually have the cheapest price in all of North America, so if you do want to pick up this fantastic G2 set that is in excellent condition, you can actually check that out right here. But of course, I actually have quite a few other things like the BRICKLINK A-Full Designer Program sets, the Kakapo and the Castle in the Forest. We've got a ton of other stuff like, say, the multiple quantities of the Forestman Hideout, again, cheapest price in the US at only $38 for this promotional item. And we actually have a few other different sets like Hero Factory set right there, some Lego Ideas free gifts, which you can see right here, and so on. So all sorts of different fun things. Of course, as we go on to parts, you may see some of the Bionicle Kanohi masks, which I mentioned earlier on in the video. These are just some of the rarer ones, but I will be uploading some of the more common ones as well in case you want to check those out. Some more standard Bionicle pieces, and a lot of these are some of the rarer elements, which we can see right here. different animals, so horses and cows and whatnot. We've got some random minifig headgears, some teal plates, which actually just introduced, I believe, last year or earlier this year, so great for mosaics and whatnot. Tried to get those sold at a cheap price. And actually the new exclusive printed elements from the brand new Galaxy Explorer set, including the one with a Bionicle reference. You can see them exploring Tahu's canister right there. Now, there are many, many more things to see here. For instance, you can see lots of different superhero minifigures, namely from the first Guardians of the Galaxy movie, and a lot of stuff from the X-Men, like the Magneto and Deadpool and whatnot. So all sorts of great things to see here. Moving on, we have a Batman figure, Harry Potter, a lot of Ninjago figures. So again, as you can see, the different golden Ninjago ninja, as well as just some other miscellaneous figures here and there, especially like this amazing golden Dragon Kai figure, which I do have 2 for sale. And then even a ton of Star Wars figures. So a lot of the rare Star Wars stuff you can check out at my storefront right here, plus Hobbit and Lord of the Rings, all sorts of different characters. Now, in terms of books, I actually am selling one of the very special limited edition Ferrari Daytona Sense of Perfection books. This is still brand new and shrink wrapped, which is incredibly rare, had a very limited production run. And what actually I also have are some keychains. These are actually exclusive to the Lego house in Billund, Denmark. So if you actually want to get a specially branded keychain that says Lego house on it, they're here for you right here. And finally, just some instruction manuals, namely for the BRICKLINK designer program, especially if you want to build the fantastic Skyline Express monorail or the Lego story build or whatnot. I've got the actual instruction booklets available on the store, plus some of the Ultimate Collector Series manuals from the Star Wars line as well. Well, with that, we have summed up almost everything that I will be putting on the DuckBricks Warehouse BRICKLINK store. I have had the store open for a few years in the past, but not really been too active with it, and just now am I finally actually opening it up and will be regularly adding more and more stuff on a very regular basis. Thank you all so much for your support. I really do appreciate every time, even if you just want to go to the storefront and check it out. Again, every purchase does help me keep on making more DuckBricks videos for you to enjoy. So again, if you want to support the channel, this is a fantastic way to do so, and again, get something in return. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do check out the storefront linked in the description below, and be sure to like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon, where we'll be taking a look at every different aspect of this massive LEGO collection. Thanks all, and bye-bye for now.